Greetings, my fellow productivity aficionados and goal-crushing warriors. Welcome to my little corner of the interwebs, where wit meets productivity and efficiency dances hand in hand with entertainment. I'm your charismatic guide through the labyrinth of task management, the witty wordsmith who's here to turn your mundane to-do list into an epic adventure. I'm thrilled to be your guide on this epic journey as we unravel the enigmatic secrets of productivity. Today, I'm going to share with you a time management technique that's as ripe and flavorful as a sun-kissed tomato, the Pomodoro Technique. Get ready to discover how this simple yet powerful method can help you accomplish more in less time, leaving you with a sense of accomplishment and a newfound love for productivity. So strap in, grab your caffeinated elixir of choice, and let's unleash your inner productivity guru. Part 1. The Origin Story. Picture yourself in the late 1980s, in the beautiful country of Italy. Our hero, Francesco Cirillo, a university student at the time, was grappling with the same productivity struggles we all face today. He longed for a way to conquer his tasks and make the most of his time. Little did he know that a humble kitchen timer shaped like, you guessed it, a tomato, would hold the key to unlocking a whole new world of productivity. And thus, the Pomodoro Technique was born. The word Pomodoro is Italian for tomato, and Cirillo's choice of a tomato-shaped chimer gave this technique its unique and catchy name. It's amazing how something as simple as a kitchen gadget can have such a profound impact on our productivity journey. But what exactly is the Pomodoro Technique, you ask? Well, my eager learners, allow me to peel back the layers and reveal its juicy secrets. Part 2. The Pomodoro Technique Demystified. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method that revolves around working in focused bursts called Pomodoros, with short breaks in between. Each Pomodoro typically lasts for 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. After completing 4 consecutive Pomodoros, you reward yourself with a longer break of around 15 to 30 minutes. It's like a delicious cycle of productivity and rejuvenation. The magic of the Pomodoro Technique lies in its ability to tap into our brain's natural focus and attention span. Research has shown that our minds work most efficiently in shorter bursts, making the 25-minute Pomodoro an ideal time frame for concentrated work. And the breaks, well, they give us a chance to recharge, prevent burnout, and maintain a high level of productivity throughout the day. Part 3. How to implement the Pomodoro Technique. Now that we understand the essence of the Pomodoro Technique, let's dive into the step-by-step process of implementing it in your work routine. So grab your notepads, my fellow productivity enthusiasts, because we're about to map out a plan for success. Step 1. Choose a task to tackle. It could be a work assignment, a personal project, or anything that requires your undivided attention. Identify what needs to be accomplished and set a clear goal for yourself. Step 2. Set your trusty tomato timer for 25 minutes and begin working on your chosen task. Remember, during this Pomodoro, you're dedicating yourself fully to the task at hand. Eliminate distractions, put your phone on silent, and create a focused environment. Step 3. As the timer ticks away, immerse yourself in the work. Allow your mind to embrace the flow and rhythm of productivity. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish when you have a designated time frame for focused work. Part 4. The Power of Pomodoro Breaks. The timer goes off, signaling the end of your first Pomodoro. Now it's time to savor the sweetness of a well-deserved break. During these precious 5 minutes, give yourself permission to step away from the task at hand. Stretch your legs, grab a healthy snack, or engage in a quick mindfulness exercise. These short breaks are designed to recharge your mind, provide a moment of respite, and prepare you for the next burst of focused work. Remember, the Pomodoro Technique is all about finding the balance between work and rest. By honoring these breaks, you're setting yourself up for sustained productivity throughout the day. Part 5. Supercharging your Pomodoro practice. You've completed one Pomodoro cycle, and now it's time to repeat the process. But wait, there's more. To supercharge your Pomodoro practice, you can incorporate a few additional tips and tricks. First, consider adjusting the length of Pomodoros and breaks to suit your preferences and the nature of your tasks. Some individuals may find shorter Pomodoros of 15 or 20 minutes more suitable for highly focused work, while others may prefer longer Pomodoros of 30 minutes or more. Experiment and find what works for you. Second, make use of your breaks to engage in activities that refresh your mind and recharge your energy. Take a quick walk outside, do a mini workout, or indulge in a creative hobby. These activities stimulate different parts of your brain and can enhance your overall productivity. Lastly, track your Pomodoros and breaks. Keep a record of how many Pomodoros you complete in a day, as well as the tasks you accomplish. This not only gives you a sense of accomplishment, but also provides valuable insights into your productivity patterns and helps you identify areas for improvement. And there you have it, my friends, the Pomodoro Technique demystified and ready for you to conquer. By implementing this method into your work routine, you'll find yourself sailing through your to-do list with renewed focus, heightened efficiency, and a sense of accomplishment. So, my fellow time masters, it's time to grab that tomato-shaped timer, set your goals, and unleash the power of the Pomodoro Technique in your life. Embrace the rhythm of work and rest, and watch as your productivity reaches new heights. Thank you for joining me on this fruitful journey of productivity. If you've enjoyed this episode, be sure to tune in next time as we explore more strategies to unlock your true potential. Until then, stay focused, stay inspired, and keep those Pomodoros ticking.